Good morning, guys. It is currently 7:45 a.m. in Kyoto, and I am on my way to go have a nature day. I am so excited for today. If anybody knows me, y'all know I love me some nature. I am headed to the bus stop now. I wanted to make this video before I get on the bus because I guess it's rude to talk on public transportation. I mean, if you think about it, it's kind of like that anywhere you go. Even if you're in New York City, there's not really people chatting on the subway. It looks like it's going to be about a 1 hour and 8-minute travel to get to where we need to be. We are headed to Hozugawa River boat ride, and that is our first stop for the day. After the boat ride, we are going to a bamboo grove, a temple garden at Tenryu-ji, I don't really know how to say it, Tenryu-ji Temple garden. And then after the temple garden, we're going to Okochi Sanso. Yeah, so it should be a nature-packed day.
Today is flower, yesterday no flower.
The mountain in front is Mount Ogura. The autumn foliage is very beautiful there. Please come again in the fall.
Thank you.
Thank you. I just made it to the drop-off point from the boat ride, and honestly, that was probably one of the best experiences that I had as far as the customer service. The guides were so funny, and I think it's interesting how in Japan, where the tipping culture is not there, they are just so enthused by their job and really set on providing such a good experience for everybody, regardless of the tip, just with no expectation of any additional compensation. They're just happy to be there, happy with their job. It's just so amazing to me. That was a 2-hour boat ride with the best service, and they expected nothing. America should learn some things. Now I'm taking a walk to the bamboo grove. I might check out a temple along the way, and I really want to find somewhere to lay down by the river that there's not a lot of people around because the sun is out. So I did ask the guides if there was anywhere with not a lot of people, and they were like, you just have to walk. So hopefully I could finish these other things up and get a little bit of tan in by the river. The matcha would be mixed in, but it's actually just a powdered coating on top, but it still tastes really good. I almost took this garden out of my schedule because if you guys didn't notice, I didn't get much footage of the other garden because there were so many people there. And when there's a lot of people somewhere, it really gets my anxiety going. I forget to film. I just focus on honestly getting out. I don't even think I made it halfway through the last garden because I just wanted to get out. But this one is much quieter, so I'm thankful for that. This is the Okochi Sanso garden. It's on the opposite end of the bamboo grove as the other garden, and it's also 500 more yen to get in. So the last garden at the temple was 500 yen, and this one was 1,000 yen. That is like $6 US, which I don't think is terrible, especially to get away from the crowd. You guys ever see those videos on Instagram where it's like the Instagram clips versus real life? That is all of Japan in cherry blossom season for real. I honestly was on the river thinking about how I wish I would have planned more of my trip around nature days, because everything else that you guys see about Japan during cherry blossom season is completely packed with tourists. When I was sitting inside of the bamboo grove, I was just looking around like, dang, they really got us. They got all of us. Look at all those patch of sakuras. One thing about me, I could sit by this river all day, but I've been here for a little over an hour. I journaled, wrote some lyrics, and I'm going to force myself to leave because I still have about an hour of a journey back to my hotel. I do still want to hit the gym today, and I need to schedule posts for the next week, which takes a couple hours. I also wanted to wake up early tomorrow to hit the cherry blossoms because it looks like it's the last day that I'll be able to get the cherry blossoms in at Kyoto before the rain starts here. I'm hoping the rain doesn't start because I wanted to do a photo shoot in 2 days, but the weather app says it's not looking so hot. This river is really so peaceful. Today was gorgeous. I really wish that I had planned more nature days this trip, just because that's me. And now I know next time anything that looks touristy, I'm skipping. I just want to be in a mountain somewhere next to some water, preferably. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, leave me a comment below with what other content that you guys would like to see, where should I go next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot with the algorithm. I appreciate you guys so much for being here. I'll see you next time.